safeguard and protect, guard the sacred land of our warriors, united in strength, across the blessed realm of the sovereign land. On July 24th, let's our fall, let justice stand. We stand as one to defend our soil. The savage Siamese invade with greed and guile. They trample on Cambodia's sovereign line, but they will fall. This land is rightfully mine. Oh, greedy Siamese, driven by lust, you trespass, you steal ancient temples, turn to dust. To moan, to Krabi, claim them all, but brave Khmer soldiers will make you fall. Day or night, we rise and fight for our homeland, for our right. Hey Siam, most in twisted history, why turn hands of peace to fists of misery? You talk of peace with a savage mind, and shoot in the night, treachery unkind. We stand as one to defend our soil.